Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can show jobs with salaries in Indeed. So what this generally means is finding the salaries in the Indeed and then showing the jobs. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Indeed.com website. Once you go over here, log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now what you need to do is all the way up, you'll be having options which says home, company reviews, and then find salaries. So as you want to find the salaries, find jobs with salaries, you can go over here. And now as per your requirement, you can search over here. You can choose any industries from here as well, and then you'll be having the average salary per year over here. And as per the salary, you're gonna find the jobs like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.